Hello students, today topic is carboxylic acids. YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JNET. Distinguished test. Distinguished test. See here in the carboxylic acid, the abnormal behavior of formic acid. Abnormal behavior of formic acid. See, formic acid structure is HC double bond O OH. It looks like here up to this is aldehyde. ये aldehyde जैसा दिखते aldehyde, and this other part is carboxylic acid. So the behavior of formic acid is different from other carboxylic acids due to the presence of aldehydic group. Due to the presence of aldehydic group. See here aldehydic group and carboxylic acid group. Both groups are there. That's why it is also giving aldehyde functional group test. What are the aldehyde functional group tests? That is Tollens test and failing test also is giving. So reaction with HgCl2, these two tests is giving. Formic acid behaves as a reducing agent and reduces Tollens reagent and failing solution both, but other acid fails to do so. This formic acid reaction with Ag2O, this is ammonical silver nitrate or Ag2O, silver oxide, it is giving silver metal. The silver metal is silver mirror test. This is also known as silver mirror test. Here the byproducts are carbon dioxide release, water. Okay, even it is giving failing test also. Failing test may many times important question. Failing test is showing red color. So due to which ion it is showing red color? So that is copper plus ion. Copper plus, that means cuprous ion. Here in the Cu2O, the copper oxidation number is +1. Okay, so this question many times asked. It is in the failing solution, the copper oxidation number is +1. Due to this cuprous ion, it is showing red color precipitation. Next, reaction with mercuric chloride, also it is giving white precipitate HgCl2. Okay, formic acid forms white precipitate of Hg2Cl2, mercuric chloride with, it is mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride with mercuric chloride. This is the ic chloride. See the difference here, oxidation number +2 and oxidation number +1. Whenever low oxidation state is there, that is us, higher oxidation state is known as ic. Mercurous chloride is giving precipitation here. Here cuprous, this is also cuprous chloride is giving precipitation, that is red color, which is converted to gray PPT of mercury. Okay, so this is the important thing here. Tollens में तो silver is getting metal reduction. In the case of copper, it's a cuprous ion. Cuprous ion की वजह से red color. In case of mercurous, that is giving white precipitate. Next, how can you distinguish this formic acid, ethanoic acid and benzoic acid? So the first reaction is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reagent is what? Soda lime. Soda lime is soda lime. Okay, the mixture is sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So in case of formic acid, it is releasing carbon dioxide. It is releasing carbon dioxide. क्या बच गया remaining? One hydrogen, H2. So this H2 colorless gas is producing. Okay, colorless gas is producing here hydrogen gas. In case of ethanoic acid, in case of ethanoic acid, it is producing methane. Methane as well, carbon dioxide is there. Okay. In case of benzoic acid, it is giving benzene. Benzene is the neutral. Okay. So this is the one distinguished test. Next, reaction with concentrated H2SO4, the formic acid producing carbon monoxide. It is producing carbon monoxide and water. The remaining carboxylic acids are not producing any gases. carbon monoxide and H2O. See, concentrated H2SO4 का functioning है dehydrating agent it is. Okay, but in case of ethanoic acid and other carboxylic acid, it cannot. Okay, just it is dissolving. That's enough. Next, one more is there, HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction. This is the red phosphorus and chlorine. Chlorine phosphorus में जनरली होता है HVZ, Hell-Wallert-Jelenski reaction. Alpha halocarboxylic acids are forming. Okay, here alpha carbon is there, alpha hydrogens are there. That's why here HVZ reaction is showing. But in case of formic acid and benzoic acid, there is no alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogens not there. Alpha hydrogens not there. That's why no reaction. Here it is a no reaction. But in case of formic acid, it is producing carbon dioxide gas. This is the note point you have to remember. Okay, if alpha hydrogens are there, generally alpha halo carboxylic acids are forming. If there is no alpha hydrogens, obviously no reaction. But in case of exceptionally formic acid, it is producing carbon dioxide. Okay, next. How can you distinguish ethanoic acid and benzoic acid? Ethanoic acid and benzoic acid. Yes, ethanoic acid, it can react with sodium bicarbonate. Of course, both are reacting with sodium bicarbonate. In this case, what we can do first reduction. First reduction, दोनों reduction करेंगे. So reduction करने के बाद, what you will get it here, CH3 CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol you are getting. This ethyl alcohol giving iodoform test. Iodoform test. Okay, directly iodoform test was not performed by carboxylic acid and its derivatives. Here reduction में क्या होता है, benzyl alcohol. This benzyl alcohol is not giving iodoform test. ये iodoform test नहीं देते. Iodoform test में क्या चाहिए, iodine plus NaOH. Iodine plus NaOH चाहिए iodoform test में. Then see, iodoform test के लिए requirement होता है CH3C, इधर double bond O group B and CH3COH. These groups are giving iodoform test. Okay, you note down this one. CH3 C double bond O and CH3 COH. These groups are giving iodoform test. Note point is note carboxylic acid not give iodoform test. सर मैं अभी लिखा, कैसे लिखा है, वो रिडक्शन करके लिखा था. ओनली CH3COH and CH3C double bond O groups are giving iodoform test. Right? Like this you can distinguish. Then formic acid and benzoic acid. This is giving tolants. Just now already discussed. It is not giving tolants. Okay? Like this you can distinguish formic acid, acetic acid and benzoic acid.